Hi, this is Kaji from Passive Income from Kaji. Today I'll show you how you can remove your YouTube channel from your vidIQ account. First, go to vidIQ.com and log in with your details. So I'll just click login here. And you just enter your email, which is your username and password. Then click login to your account. Now once you have logged into your vidIQ account, on the upper right corner, click here and click on channel settings. Here you will see the connected channel with your account. Click here, remove this channel button and click yes, I want to remove this channel. There you go, your channel will be removed from your vidIQ account. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you.